All right. Welcome to this very first session of Groundbreakers Live at Oracle Code Tokyo. I'm your host, Javed Mohammed, and with me, co-hosting is
Jim Grisanzio. Hello, everyone.
Okay.
Welcome.
So we are very excited again to be at the, I think it's the second to last Oracle Code event for the year.
Yeah, there's one more next week in New York City.
But that our colleague Bob Rhubart will be doing that one. But it's been an exciting year. I think I've done most of my, pretty much with the exception of one, all my code events with you.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
It's been a great tag team.
Yeah, I've done.
So
It's very helpful because it's kind of stressful to get everything set up, you know, and just to understand if things are working properly. It's just nice to have a teammate, you know.
And not only just what Jim's talking about, just like not only the setup on the day of, but there's a lot of work that goes on prior to the event, trying to line up all the speakers, and there's a lot of going back and forth on that. And then once we're done with the event and we've live streamed everything, we record most of the we record the interviews on here, unless we forget to hit the record button. We record and then we edit and post on YouTube later, usually within the week or so.
Yeah. So this event, I was looking at the keynote room over here to the right. There looks to be about 1,000 seats in there.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Well, okay, I haven't had a sneak peek yet.
I don't know how much. Actually, I don't know how many people are expected here, but it's going to be a pretty big gig.
Okay.
For sure. We've got 17 people in total on the schedule here.
Wow.
But we'll have one panel. It'll be the keynote panel. So we'll have 4 people here. Gonna have to smush them in.
Everyone breathe in.
Yeah, but we got discussions with Eric Sedlar on growl VM. We got a bunch of Java people. We have George Saab here from the
Java team. Yeah,
right.
So he's a product manager.
He's the VP. Right?
Yeah.
And we got a bunch of people from the Groundbreakers Tour actually as well, because they're doing a motorcycle tour of basically the whole country, and meeting with user groups around all over Japan.
And I have to say, really, hats off to Steve and the whole team for actually doing that, because I think it's the nice thing about an event like Code Tokyo is that it's very accessible for the people who are in and around Tokyo, but for the people who are out there in different parts, it's again, I think it's just an example of Oracle going to where the community is. So it's
exactly. So they were up in Sapporo a couple of days ago, way up north.
By the way, I'm just kind of curious. You've done some pretty wild things in your youth. Are you a motorbike rider?
No. Because I visited far too many hospitals in my life, so so I don't do motorcycles.
Oh, okay.
I've done a lot of other daredevil things, but no more.
I did ride a motorbike for 2-3 years, but I don't even call it a motorbike. It's like a moped. It's like a little Honda 70cc. The kind of engine you have on a lawnmower or something. Yeah. But even then, you can get hurt on those.
I did those when I was a little kid as well.
I see. All right.
So also we'll have some database conversations here as well, just looking at the schedule. So it's a Java database, growl, the Java tour, the Groundbreakers tour.
Yeah, the serverless, big data and analytics. So we've got an exciting lineup of speakers and subjects.
Yes, exactly. And so these interviews will all be in English, and we'll use your mobile setup there for some developer reactions, and we'll get a lot of those in Japanese.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
It's good.
So that's it. And please stay tuned for lots of exciting Groundbreaker live sessions here at the Oracle Code Tokyo, and as Jim mentioned, as well as on our mobile setup. So, and the hashtag is GroundbreakersTour.
GroundbreakersTour.
Thank you, and see you shortly.
Yes. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.